So here's the Splitfire twin core 8.8 spark plug cable for Bajaj Avenger, and especially for NG iridium spark plug which is in it. Main issue is that this cable is not fit by default in Avenger. For this you have to cut from here its original cap, and fit in the Bajaj default cap. And here this is joint here via Splitfire connector. It's very simple, it's not a big task to install in it. In right side plug, this is the right side plug, and in left side plug it can install by default. It's a original Splitfire plug which can install in it. Here's the connector by which it's connect with it. Let's see the performance or engine sound via it.